Okay, let's go.
Don't be afraid. There is no more disgrace for you.
There's no more disgrace for you.
Akusanohlazo kuwe.
Akusanahlazo kuwe. Ungaboni ngathi ungena ehlazweni. Akusanahlazo for wena. Let's go.
You will no longer remember the shame of your youth.
The shame of your youth. The life of a prostitute. You will no longer remember that life.
Ayosayikhumbula.
Because you have been brought to motherhood.
Ngoba sowulethe
You will no longer remember your youth.
Angeke usakhumbula
The wrong
ubusha
things you
bakho.
did when you were young.
Lezinto ezimbi
Because you are now a mother.
Ngoba manje
Awusalama
sowumama.
trauma. Wasekukhuleni kwakho njengomama. Uzube mdala ube umama omdala une trauma. Une trauma yokuabuse uAunt wakho. Kumele ukhulise abantwana manje. Uzotshela abantwana ngetrauma yakho. Mina umalume, mina uauntie, mina ngarejo. Hey, don't remember it.
Ungakhumbuli.
You are now a mother.
Manje sowumama.
Forget the past.
Khohlwa
Forget the old.
Khohlwa
The new has come. You are now carried
manje sowuthwelwe
to carry,
ukuthi
to
uthwale.
give care,
Ukuthi unakekele
and take care of
abantu.
others.
Nakekela
You
abanye.
can't take care of other people
Awukwazi ukukhathalela abanye abantu.
when you yourself you still need care.
Uma ngabe wena uqobo usadinga ukukhathalelwa.
A caregiver is somebody who's full,
Umuntu onothando, umuntu
not
ogqoke.
empty,
Hayi umuntu onganakekeli.
filled with care.
Ugqwalise
The only thing you
ngothando.
must do, you must.
Eyodwa kufanele unikeze ithulula. Yathulula.
That's why you will look for love instead of giving love,
Uzofuna uthando kunokuthi unikeze uthando.
because you don't have love.
Ngoba unalo uthando.
A person who's got love, they don't look for love.
Umuntu onothando akalifuni uthando.
They give love.
Unikeze uthando.
Angeke unikeze into onganayo. You want peace, but you don't have peace.
Ufuna ukuthula kodwa unawo ukuthula.
Ufuna peace kubani? Wena ungana peace ngokwakho. Ufuna mina kunike peace. Hamba ne trauma yakho. Ungazongitraumatize mina. Thatha trauma yakho, uhambe uyozilungisa nalama trauma wakho. Ufuna ukutraumatize nami, sibe ne trauma sonke. Ugcina une trauma obungazange ube nayo ukhule empilweni, ube ne trauma na. Ngoba wemukela itrauma. Nawe sowune trauma. Ngoba wamukela itrauma. Ibhizi kutshela ngetrauma. Hayi lasekhaya bebangenza so itrauma. Phuma, ithi khohlwa. Khohlwa. Forget
Khohlwa.
about the days of your youth.
Ngeyinsuku
You are
zobusha
now
bakho.
a mother.
Manje sowumama.
You are now a mother.
Sowumama manje.
Hayi trauma. Yabona wenza so nokhuluma lamagama la ngivukela lobuhlungu lobuya. Umama mbeka ngitshela so itrauma. Itrauma phuma kiyo. Uzolimaza abanye abantu uzoba traumatize. Itrauma iphelele ku trauma, iya traumatize. And I traumatize wena, traumatize labo abaduze kwakho. Because mele bazama kuyi-interpreta yini manje le? Lo muntu wenzani manje? Hayi mina ngiyazi le. Umuntu amele avuka ngangikhulumisa ibuya phi lento? Trauma. Trauma, iyavuka itrauma lapha ikhulumisa idubhula umlomo wezanga lezo. Uzwa ngamakomishi. Bila makadle lezi ukuthi. Like the remove. How? Trauma. Iqale plan ekhaya. Sembamba kuphi la kumele abe umama khona iyambamba. Uyivumele kuphi from ebuncaneni yakhula naye. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's go. Hey, I'm not a teenager. You're trauma. Let's go.
You will no longer remember the shame of your youth and the sorrows of widowhood.
Yes, and the sorrows of widowhood.
Usizi lokuba umfelokazi.
Akusumuntu ofelwe le. But it no sees lo mfelokazi. Let's go.
5. For your creator will be your husband.
Ah.
The Lord of heaven's armies is his name.
He will carry you. If he becomes your husband, he will carry you. He does not carry you as a husband. He carries you as a father. He carries you as a father. Let's go.
He is your redeemer.
He is your redeemer. Uyosusa konke lamatrauma wakho. Ukuthi ungayotraumatize abanye abantwana. Wenza abanye abantwana bafile ngathi orinento wrong yenzile. Ora ngumuphi imali kahle. Ora ngumdizi ora ngumtshele enough ukuthi ngiyamthanda. Utraumatize abanye abantwana. Let's go.
He is your redeemer, the Holy One of Israel, the God of all the earth.
The God of all the earth.
6. For the Lord has called you back from your grief.
The Lord has called you back from your grief. Calling you to motherhood. A mother does not have grief. A mother does not have bitterness. A mother does not have emotional intelligence. She's carried to carry and give care. Aye. She's carried to give care to others and produce others. Producing is different from giving birth. Giving birth, you are giving birth to raw material. It's not yet what is produced. It's a raw material in the name of female or male. Raw material. It's named female or male. Something must be produced there. And you are the one who must produce. Changing the raw material from male, from female. Umfana uyakhula. Indoda. Yabona raw material eza. Uyasuka ebudodeni ubaba. Final stage. Intombazana raw material. Iyasuka emntombazana usisi. Until umama. Uthi nombheka uthi mina naye sesiyafana. Hey. Uthi umbheka umfana wakho utheka indoda sekawubaba. Hayi ngoba ulethe icala bathi upregisile. Ubheka icarrot utheka obaba. But nina nithi abantu bobaba ngoba sebapregisile. Kanti akusibo baba bafana. Nithi abantu bomama. So umama ngisho manje yabona sozela akusimama intombazana. Isayo miscarriage.
Sayolahlekela, yophunyukela.
Lo mntwana mzela usayomiscarriage.
Sayomlahlekela.
Raw material, male, female, waiting for production process. The teachings of the mother, the instructions of the father. Okay, put a finger, we'll come back there. Proverbs chapter 1, verse 8. Say, I love you, Jesus. Hey, yabona umoya engcwele akusi gender. Umoya engcwele akusi marital affairs. Is the Holy Spirit. Don't make the Holy Spirit marital affairs or family bond. The Holy Spirit is the Holy Spirit. Let's go.
Proverbs chapter 1 from verse 8. The heading says, a father's exhortation, acquire wisdom. My child, listen when your father corrects you.
Not a husband.
Are you me?
Not a husband. Come
Are you
on.
me?
When a father corrects you, not a husband.
Are you me?
So many correct as husbands. With bitterness, with grief and anger. Let's go.
My child, listen when your father corrects you.
Listen when your father corrects you.
Do not neglect your mother's instruction.
Do not neglect what? Your mother's instructions. Not the wife's instructions. So many were so quick to instruct as wives. The scepter was not yet given. And they wanted to instruct. Let's go.
9. What you learn from them. What you learn from them will crown you with grace and be a chain of honor around your neck.
What you learn from them Not from a wife and a
Hayi
husband,
kunkosikazi
from a
nomyeni,
mother and a
kodwa
father.
kumama nobaba.
The instruction is with the father.
Imiyalelo
The
inobaba.
teachings are with the mother,
Imfundiso zinomama,
not with the husband
hayi nomyeni,
and wife.
nonkosikazi.
Sure. Okay, ngicela uthathe GNT, Good News Translation. GNT. GNT. Uthathe GNT.
Proverbs 1.
You see, if God can help us
uNkulunkulu angasisiza
to reach this maturity,
sifike kulokukhula lokhu
I'm telling you,
nje.
we are going to have healthy locations,
Siyoba nezindawo ezinempilo,
healthy schools,
izikole ezinempilo,
healthy working environments.
indawo zokusebenza ezinempilo.
But bonke abantwana abaningi abagcwele lapha ezikolweni abagcwele kuphi babuya kundoda nomfazi. And they are busy messing up.
Bayamosha,
They are busy doing what? Messing up.
bayamosha.
They are not from the father, they are not from a mother.
Ababuyi kumama
They are
nobaba.
from girls and boys
Babuye emfaneni
who
nentombazana.
are able to give birth.
Abakhona ukuzala.